You ever work on something, get your hands dirty and think, there's got to be a better way? AliExpress is kind of like that, but for shopping. It's a giant online marketplace where you can find almost anything at crazy low prices. Think of it like a global flea market. Sellers, mostly from China, offer everything from phone cases to kitchen gadgets, and it's often way cheaper than buying local. First things first, you got to get yourself an account. Think of it like getting a library card, but instead of books, you're unlocking a world of affordable goodies. Head on over to the AliExpress website. You'll see a button that says register or join. Click on that and they'll walk you through the process. You'll need to give them your email address, come up with a password, and maybe verify your account through email. It's all pretty standard stuff, nothing too complicated. Once you're in, take some time to fill out your profile. Add your shipping address so you don't gotta do it every time you buy something. Trust me, it'll save you some headaches down the road. Now for the fun part, finding what you want to buy. AliExpress has a search bar right at the top. Type in what you're looking for and hit enter. Let's say you're in the market for a new phone case. You'll see thousands of results. Use filters to narrow things down. Sort by price, color, or brand. Click on different products and browse around. The more you explore, the more likely you are to find a hidden gem. Add it to your cart or wish list so you don't lose track. Section 4. Due diligence, checking reviews and ratings. Before you hit that buy now button, slow your roll. Just like you wouldn't buy a used car without checking under the hood, you gotta do your due diligence on AliExpress. That means reading reviews and checking ratings. See those little stars under each product? Those are ratings from other buyers. Pay attention to those. Anything below 4 stars you might want to approach with caution. But the real goldmine is in the customer reviews. Click on the Reviews tab, and you'll get the lowdown from folks who've actually bought the product. Look for reviews with pictures and videos. Those are usually the most helpful. Section 5, sealing the deal. Placing your order. Okay, you found the perfect product, read the reviews, and you're ready to pull the trigger. Click on that Buy Now button, and it'll take you to the checkout page. Double check your shipping address, make sure the product details are correct, and choose your preferred shipping method. Keep in mind, free shipping is often the slowest option. If you need it in a hurry, you might have to pay extra. Once everything looks good, it's time to choose a payment method. AliExpress accepts most major credit cards, debit cards, and even PayPal. Enter your payment info, review your order one last time, and then hit that place order button. Congratulations, you just bought something from AliExpress. Section 6, the waiting game, tracking your shipment. Now comes the hard part. Waiting. Shipping from AliExpress can take weeks to months, depending on your location and shipping method. But don't worry, you can track your package every step of the way. Once your order ships, you'll get a tracking number. Use it to monitor your package's progress. While you're waiting, be patient. Good things come to those who wait. AliExpress has buyer protection policies to help you out. Section 7. AliExpress by the numbers, fun facts. Over 150 million active buyers worldwide. That's like the entire population of Russia shopping on one website. Offers over 100 million products across 40 different categories. You could spend a lifetime browsing and still not see everything. Ships to over 200 countries and regions worldwide. From the bustling cities to the remote corners of the globe, AliExpress delivers. Most popular categories: consumer electronics, fashion, home and garden, toys, and sports equipment. So there you have it, folks. A crash course in all things AliExpress. Now go forth and conquer the world of online bargain hunting. Just remember, with a little patience and a lot of savvy shopping, you can find some truly amazing deals on AliExpress. Happy shopping.